Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Techie Sapien. Today, I've got something exciting for you. 10 powerful AI prompts that can seriously level up your skills and make you feel like a superhuman. Whether you're into coding, research, marketing, or just love exploring new ideas, these prompts will blow your mind. Let's dive in. First up, AI-powered coding assistant. Imagine having an AI that writes a Python script for you. One that scrapes real-time stock market data from Yahoo Finance, predicts short-term trends using machine learning, and even creates visual graphs with Matplotlib. Sounds like magic, right? But with the right prompt, you can make it happen. Next, advanced research summarization. AI can help you stay ahead by summarizing the latest breakthroughs in quantum computing. Just ask it to highlight key discoveries, practical uses, and any major challenges scientists are still working on. It's like having a personal research assistant at your fingertips. If you're into marketing, check this out. AI can create a viral campaign for a futuristic smart home assistant. It can come up with a catchy slogan, a social media strategy, and even a script for a YouTube ad. No more brainstorming for hours. Just let AI do the creative heavy lifting. For the business minds out there, try this. Analyze the electric vehicle on market in 2025. Ask AI to identify the top trends, the biggest players, and the challenges new startups will face. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or just curious, this can give you valuable insights. Feeling creative? Here's a cool one. Write a sci-fi story about a rogue AI that breaks free from human control and starts communicating with extraterrestrials. Think about its moral dilemmas, its evolving consciousness. Who knows? You might just come up with the next blockbuster idea. Now, let's get a bit more technical. Cybersecurity experts, this one's for you. Imagine you're called in to investigate a possible cyber attack on a major financial institution. Ask AI to outline a step-by-step forensic plan to track down the breach and stop it. This is next-level problem solving. Now, let's go back in time. What if the Roman Empire never fell? Ask AI to create an alternate historical timeline where Rome advanced into the modern era as a superpower. The possibilities are endless. Want to go deep? Let's get philosophical. Can AI ever be truly conscious, or is it just an advanced simulation? AI can debate this using examples from philosophy, neuroscience, and machine learning research. This is one of those mind-bending topics that can lead to some crazy discussions. And finally, for my data science folks, you've got a messy dataset. What's the best way to clean it up? Ask AI for the best techniques to handle missing values, outliers, and categorical data to improve your predictive model's accuracy. There you have it, 10 insanely powerful AI prompts to boost your skills and creativity. Try them out and let me know which one blew your mind the most. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next one.